Assalamu alaikum everybody, this is my 43rd algorithm video, and in this task 3 numbers are given to us: base, exponent and k digit. So the exponential result for base and exponent is, answer is 3 raised to power 3, it is 27. Okay, now we need to find the result, the k digit from the right. So k here is defined as 1, so 1 digit from right is 7, so answer is 7. Fine. Now let's get to the algorithm. Exponential result is equal to base raised to power exponent. So whatever the result is, we need to convert it into a string. Then I make a count variable for I in range len of string exponent -1 -1 -1. I am using the range function of for loop, and we would be iterating through the string exponent backward because we need to find the digit right of the exponent result. Count is equal to count plus 1. If count is equal to k, number required, oh, I need to make another variable, number required, and I give it a value -1. Now when count is equal to k, then I update the number required to string exponent I. Coming out of the for loop, I print number required. So 7 is the result, because 3 raised to power 3 is 27, and one digit from right of one digit from right of this answer is 7. Now if I change the answer to let's have a base of 5, exponent be 2, and k digit should be 2. So the answer is 2. How? 5 raised to power 2 is 25, and 2 digits from right is 2. That is all from my side. I hope you liked my video. Please share, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.